All right, today is October 21st, 2025. Yesterday we had a tough day trading. Market was in a straight up arrow movement. Couldn't, I was trying to short it twice. First trade made sense. I exit early. Second trade, I used an old hammer for it, and this ended up being a loss as well. Stopped out completely. So two trades. Um, Good ideas just could not sustain. All right, so that's that. I need to work on. I need to work on taking better, reviewing my screenshots because sometimes it's hard even just reviewing videos. But I need to at least review the screenshots. Like that's not it. That's not it. All right, like these here, right? Um, all right, so these are not the photos I took. So let's do this. Where is this saved at? Yeah, it's saved here, right? OneDrive, pictures, screenshots. I'm already there. I just don't. Yeah, I am there. Uh, Embarrassing. Okay. So reviewing my screenshots. Maybe I didn't take any yesterday. That's what I'm guessing. I didn't take the screenshots. I didn't take the screenshots. But reviewing my screenshots as far as here, like the ones that work out and the ones that didn't work out, and just seeing like what got me into the trade, what images do I need to see, like here and here, price breakdown. So here, see, we don't have any buying here. The buying is way down here, so we need to make sure we clear that. All right. Nothing here to hold price, and then look how price went. I think this one went further. Um, all right. So October 15 might be the same one. No, like this one here was a long. Looked like it was a nice long. All right. So here we had a buy, sell all the way up there. Price came back and bought again. So there's no like real things to really stop price from moving higher, and it goes right. So no roadblocks. So looks like, see, no roadblock, price moved. So taking trades where there are no roadblocks in the way um to slow my price action, like here. So sell, there's no buying roadblock. Right, we had this here, price was just rejecting it, right, but nothing to go ahead until there, and then price just went, right. So I think that might have to be one of my things is clear roads ahead, just clear roads. So that might be something that I need to add and include in my trade, because if I have clear roads, like yesterday, my roads weren't clear, and I felt like I was forcing it. I had like a few roadblocks. I'll close it out. I had a few roadblocks in the way of my trades yesterday, and 9:55 and 11:53. So 9 9:55. All right. So back a little bit. All right, so I took a short here, but see I had a roadblock here, straight on right here, right there, and then all of this buying, right? Even though this is right here, but I had these two roadblocks already in the way. All right, we had to sell, but we have a roadblock right here, right? This is not as clear as it should. We never cleared any of that. So yeah, we had to sell up there, but took that trade, and what happened? We got stopped at the roadblocks. I stopped out. I exited the trade. The next trade came about 9, 10, 11, 2 hours later, and it looked like it was a good trade. Let's see here. Right over here. Right, take that trade there, but I had a roadblock right where I was entering at. This is the first roadblock, right? So I had a roadblock already. This one doesn't count too much because we're in it. We're not above it, but this one here, we're right above it. We're right at it. It's just like it didn't clear, right? This one here, potential, but we had a roadblock right here, roadblock. And we have failed sell, sell, failed, sell, fell, selled, fell. Well, what do you think might happen? Sell, no, sell, no, sell, no, sell, and then no, and then then we had double sell, so it was like, oh, two sells, but roadblock, failed sell, price went exactly to that, couldn't break, and then skyrocketed, failed sell, price bounced and went. So things for me to look for. All right. So let's quickly go through it. I didn't get the chance to see the rest of the day. Looks like price may have continued. I'm gonna make this the main screen. 30 minutes. Let's see here. So price kind of stayed where it was at, putting down lower. So I'm gonna clear this here. This can go, and we see that price came to the area I kind of wanted it to go to, and now it's bouncing off of it. So I had something here, and price is price is respecting that. This is where I wanted to go long at. Looks like price is doing that now. Son of a biscuit. And then right here will be our high of the day, and then there will be our low of the day. Ah shit, the wrong thing. Just gonna take this. You're mine now. Yep. Alright, so that's that. We're back below yesterday's high. So daily wise, no volume behind this upward move. We're still inside Friday's candle, still inside last week's candle, but broke out of this one here in a sense. Been holding it. Been holding it, so we might go up here, and we'll see what comes of these highs here, because there'll be one extreme back down to this extreme, and then figure that out. So right now, don't really have anything as far as support nor resistance up here from the 4 hour or 1 hour or 30 minutes, nor maybe 15, but this is a sell, not an absorption. It's a sell, not an absorption. 5 minute, this is an absorption right here, so I'm going to look for down here. This may have been an absorption, but same thing, sell, not an absorption. I don't think I have much as far as those go. Buying definitely came out of that. You can see right here. All right, buying come out of that. Potential selling up here, but this is an area where I'm going to be looking for. All right, let's go to NQ, and then I'll do settlement prices in a bit. Daily. How are we doing? Still inside that Friday level. That's cool. It reached that high, really broke out of that level there. All right. VIX was a beast, but I don't have anything to support these moves really. So the 30, gonna get rid of anything that I can get rid of. Or adjust where I can adjust. Right here would be the high, and then the low down here. But this is 75. Damn, nice bounce on that one there. Nothing here. How much want? I almost wanted to go just to straight to 150. Not gonna lie, maybe this. And let's go to 150. Okay. I like this right here. I'm gonna take that right there. Just lay that out like that. We can get rid of this here. We're gonna chop this up. Alright, chop it style. Bam. Alright, cool. Alright, so as far as things that make sense, I don't think I have any. A lot of volume right here. 15 minutes, 5 minutes. Yeah. Let's go to 200. Alright, cool. Okay. Let's add settlement prices. Look at that. Day 20. My goodness. They're really just trying to bankrupt the country. I don't know what they're going to do with the fake money that they get. But this is just ridiculous. Maybe I should just leave. Just get up and bounce. Because what the heck is really going on? They've been delaying every single news. I feel when these news come out, it's gonna be like a train wreck. And all is probably gonna be lies. Every single one of it. you're gonna say it's because they don't have. In reality, everything in this world is made up by what men decide to value the most. Whatever they decide to put their heart to, whatever it is. That's what we make important. Damn, this thing way down here. This looks horrible. I don't want to put settlement price, but I'll just do that because gap wise. But it don't look like we're gapping. So we still got like 20 minutes before the market opens. So let's do VIX. Minutes. Alright, VIX, what the heck is this? Just doing your own thing, huh? Just doing your own thing. Can I even pull this through? Would have came. And remember, guys, you don't need to take every single trade. Just what makes sense to you. Alright. I'm gonna go to 5 because these numbers have been looking pretty insane. Okay, I think I can go to 2 now. This looks better. It looks more organized. Yeah, okay. Just nothing there I can work with. Let's go to 3. Yeah, I like even numbers too. Alright, we'll just extend that out. Let's remove that and we'll just add these two to it. We're done. Alright, so that's it for today. I'll be back later. Adios.